left-hander out there on the mound for the Ports. And he delivers, and a first ball swung on and lined into center field from Gutierrez. Wasting no time here. He's got his first hit of the night. And here's Dakota Jordan. He takes up and away for a ball. Driven in, second in the league in that category, tied up on the inside. Signing bonus out of Taiwan. Now he throws a changeup that dips below the zone. 2 balls and a strike. So still just 19 years old. And the A's are cautious with the pitch totals from him. They don't want to really work him a ton this season. 2-1 pitches up and away, but he got the curveball and the changeup, which some say is his best pitch. There's the changeup, and Dakota hardest. Now the 3-2 pitch, a curveball lifted in the air, pretty well hit out to center field. Moving to his right, Pineda's got a beat on it, and he'll make a shoulder-high catch. Of the series still, the pitch to him is line. Look out, Xander Darby. Woo. That was right around head level and whistled right by him in the on-deck circle. Yikes. Fortunately, he was paying attention over there and got out of the way. It was close. There goes the runner from first. The pitch is taken low. The throw down to second is not in time. Just ahead of the throw with a head hits of Gutierrez, but the foot speed. Giants at home, that's their 54th stolen base. They've only been caught 6 times. With power, Lin throwing and just misses inside. He wanted that call there. Himself as an 11-year-old pitching in Taiwan. Now is swinging a liner foul down the first base. Yeah, as an 11-year-old. 2-2 pitch. Grounded to second base. Weakly hit, waiting for it. Sprague-Lott. He'll make the throw over to first. Here's Xander Darby now with a runner at third and 2 outs. He takes a curveball for a strike. 1 with runners in scoring position. He takes another curve but misses inside. Cleanup hitter, the designated hitter. The pitch, he swings and lines one into right field, falling in for a base hit. He's done it again with a runner in scoring position. Gutierrez comes in to score. And now he takes off for second base. A swing and a miss from Diaz. The throw down to second in the dirt. Big hop. Somehow wrestling it. Second stolen base of the inning for the Giants. Now Diaz takes in the dirt. 1-1 pitch. Swing and a ball foul right off the leg. Ouch. Shoulder level. Now throws and a swing and a sharp ground ball to short. Scooping it up, Camarillo. His throw to first a bit low, but handled over there by Pitaro. And the inning is way in Lin, and Martin blasts one foul down the right field line. Much harder than that. 0-1, outside corner strike. He faced the Stockton Ports. Lin throwing the 0-2 upstairs. 1 ball. 1-2 pitch is strike 3 called on the outside. Martin, a little frustrated, maybe in there today. And now a swing and a fly ball deep to left field, turning around, and now coming in is Pacheco. I don't know if he lost that off the bat. Perez standing in, and the pitch is high. Move today, but it involved another catcher as a swing and a miss. Perez, and a corresponding move. The Giants needed a second catcher, so they went down to the complex league, and Nomar Diaz. Strike 2 to Perez. Now a swing and a line drive. Giants are hoping that Gonzalez won't be out too long. Here's a swing and a 1-hop, in between hop. Andrade, the third baseman, knocks it down using his body, picks it up. Third, the left-hander throwing, and it's high to Jose Ramos. We don't expect Lin to go deep into this game. They're thinking that right around 3 innings is what the sweet spot is for him, unless the pitch. 1-1, down low and inside, and neither is Giancarlos Sio. Here's a swing and a ball hit in the air down the right field. Stolen bases. 2-2 is strike 3 called on the outside. Ramos knew it. Froze him there with a 92-mile-an-hour fastball. Gutierrez takes a strike. Leading the team in OPS average in the league. And as good as it is, it just continues to climb. 1-1 pitch is inside, 1-1. And already has a hit, his 5th of the series. Now he swings, rolls over one to second base. Sprague-Lott's got it. He'll throw to first. And 18 years old. He won't turn 20 for another. See how far they want to push him. Now a foul back to the screen. Piggyback man for Lynn. Now the 2-1 is in. 3-1. Inside and low, ball 4. Dakota Jordan works the walk. The bases once again in front of Christian. Here's a toss over to first and just back safely is Jordan. Boy, he had a lean. Pretty good pickoff move there from Lynn. Jordan shaking his head over there like, ooh, that was good. He just got back in time. Kind of used that swing move dive into the base. Here's a pitch to Christian, popped foul. Christian 0 for 1 with a ground out. There goes the runner. They got him picked off. The throw down to second base is a bit high, but they get the tag, and the inning is over. Pitaro, the first baseman, threw it a bit high, but Sprague-Lott able to lay it on Dakota Jordan and end the inning. And that pickoff move again, pretty solid from Lynn. Nothing across for the Giants in the third. They continue to lead 1-0 on to the fourth.